Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, we're quickly gonna show you what we got from the dollar store for our homeschooling. She's 2.5 and I just thought, okay, we could get stuff from the dollar store. It's a good place to start, and we got a ton of stuff for like under 30 bucks. So that's really awesome. So I just have everything here. Okay, everything here in a bag, and I'm just gonna go through and show you what we picked out. Okay, so we have this pad. It has 60 pages, and this is how it is. She can use it and have fun. Okay, it's very light, it's not hard at all, so it's gonna be good for her to use. So it's this. Okay, and then I got this one as well. This one is just construction papers. They are smaller in sizes, and again, it's light. We can do a lot with this. So yeah, what else? I'm just grabbing as they come to me. I'm not picking anything. And we got these stickers. They are numbers and other stickers. So I think we can have fun decorating her arts and anything else that she's creating. Um, we have this one. It's the ABC. And there are 60 stickers on here. So I can use that to help her to write her ABCs. We can use this pad or this one to just glue the stickers on and really enjoy some hands-on activities with her. What else did we get, Ipsia? We got these sticks that we can make letters with, we can be creative with. I like it because it's multicolors, so there's so much we can do with these. We got that. Let's see, what else? We got this pencil and paintbrush holder, also from the dollar store. I thought this would be convenient to help her stay organized with the few paintbrushes that she's gonna have and stuff. Yep. We got googly eyes. Do you like googly eyes, Ipsia?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make monsters, right? And give them eyes. Okay, so we got these, which are very nice. I didn't know that I had some already, but I found a whole brand new pack, same color, but it doesn't hurt to have many. And here, I got her these jumbo pencils. I got a pack before, and I thought they were really good. So I got her a second one just in case. And it's in two. Each end has its own colors, so that's nice. Okay, yeah. One bag down. And also I got her these neutral color ones as well that she can mix with the colorful ones so that we can build and construct new things. We got plates, okay, paper plates. That's the best I could find at the dollar store that will take paint, and also we can cut them and glue things into them, and yeah, so paper plates. Let's see, here's our pile right here. Okay. Woohoo! I'll save this for last. And then we got this glitter glue, just to add touch to things, glitter glue. Okay, so we got this tray it's a paint tray. I think we can make good use of this. Okay, so here.
Wow.
Okay, so we got a ton of paint. We got this. We got various colors, just so she can play around. Get that. This. Okay, in total we got 6 of these. Um, here. It's a lot, but it's different colors so she can have fun and really play with colors and see what colors she really like. And we got this one, tacky glue, so that way she can play with that as well. Um, here I got her these markers. I don't know how they came out, but they did. So we have these markers. Um, I think it will be nice. These can break. These can break, but these will not break since they are plastic and stuff. So she'll have fun with these. Um, okay, right here. Okay, two down. Well, almost done. Where is the other bag? Is that all, Lucia?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all? Wow. I'm done very quickly. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, so all of this was like what? $22 worth of stuff, which I think is great. Now, they do have some amazing flashcards. Oh, you want to show? Wow, she put stickers all over her legs. Yeah, so they have flashcards. I did get a few. Um, they're at $1 at the dollar store, but at Walmart you can get them for 97 cents. So I was at Walmart and I just picked a few. This one is all about shapes. Okay, shapes. And then this one is the alphabet. And then that one is same or different that we can play with. I think that's all that we got. And I did get her some books, preschool, that's appropriate for her age because she's so young. She's only 2.5. So I did get her some books at Walmart. I'm gonna throw that in as well so I don't have to make a brand new video just for like 2-3 books. Okay. So here we got this big preschool. The age is 3 to 5. Okay. I have a lot of preschool books already from my son, but the ages were 4, and I didn't think it was appropriate to put her in like these advanced books. So I was looking for age specific that would say at least 3. I think that's the lowest they start with the ages. So I got her this. We haven't really started with it yet, but I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to working with her in it. I think it's stuff that she'll really, really enjoy learning. Okay? It's simple. Yeah, not a lot of reading, just activities that she can understand and do almost by herself once I guide her into doing it. Yeah. Okay. Now, is that all I got? And then I got her this big coloring book. Okay, I got her this. It's nice to have things that are appropriate for her age. These pictures, it's not too intricate, so she can color them and really enjoy doing them. And I've been making copies. Yeah, she's been coloring, but I make copies for her so that way as she gets better, she can start coloring in the book. And then if I don't have time as well to make copies, she can do it in the book. But for now, until she learned, like yesterday we did the snake and my son did the fox, and she really enjoyed it. So yeah, I got this one. It doesn't say the age, but I just looked at the picture and I thought it would be appropriate for her, so I got that. Okay. And then I have this that my son got from Goodwill. It's a very nice book that shows you activities to do that are very interactive and like really hands-on. So I think we'll do a few of these as well. So yeah, so I'm really looking forward to teaching her, because I haven't been doing so, because I thought I should give her time to enjoy herself and explore on her own. But now that she's 2.5, I think it's the correct time to start teaching her a few things here and there, like her shapes, her colors, her ABC, and numbers and everything. Okay, so yeah, if you would like to share, please let me know what you got for your preschooler. To teach at home or just to reinforce more teaching after daycare. Let me know in the comment section what you got and any recommendations that you have for materials. Please share with me. I'd appreciate that. Okay, all the best. Till next time. Bye. You say bye? Bye.